This video contains hell lot of spoilers. If you don't want to ruin the game for yourself, just get out of the computer. Third story, dead father. Bad guy, a bit older. Fire and stuff. Menu, so perfect. What's you old bastard? Oh, of course I'm a veteran now. A fried chicken, how nice. Big, bad, black guy. No, shooting bad guys, shooting bad guys. No, shooting bad guys, shooting bad guys, shooting bad guys. More bad guys, even more bad guys. Smashing them. Oh hell, this guy looks so nice today. Interaction. You're so poor. Watch out, it's coming out there. And the second one is just over here. Oh yes, now I'm an effing helicopter. Oh well, no, I'm just an ordinary man. How are you doing, my little black friend? Oh, you don't look so bad. Blowing stuff and stuff, you know, basic things. Blowing more tanks, tanks are everywhere, every bloody where. And even more tanks. Blood guy killing a blood guy. You've lost your knifey, my little friend. Oh well, no, doing some important stuff like shooting the blood guys in the backs. Feels really basic. Even more blood guys getting killed. Oh my god, rescue is coming. Oh hello, my black friend. You really do. Oh. Wow.